Okay, so you want to know how I clean my griddle when I'm done with it? We've already brought the food in, the griddle's had time to cool. It's still warm, okay, but it's not gonna like so hot it's gonna burn me. So start off with this big scraper, and we do have Amazon links in the description down below. So if you want to get the same stuff we're using, plus it helps support the channel. But anyways, now the Blackstone griddle, the legs will fold. So it can tip side to side a little bit or wiggle. So I want to scrape from front to back, and we're just going to scrape it clean here. Some people like spraying water or other stuff on there. I don't. You know, each to their own though. You can definitely see that it's fall time around here. Leaves are starting to drop pretty quick. All right, let's wipe this off. All the dogs are looking for little bitty droppings and scraps. Then I'll take one of my big spatulas. The scraper is good about scraping it to the edge. The spatula is much better about picking it up. Okay, now to keep it from rusting up when you're not using it, you need to coat it with some oil, just like you would a cast iron skillet. So I'm just gonna throw some oil on it. Okay, like I said, this is still warm, but it's not hot. And you can take a paper towel and do this, but your hand actually just works better. Super simple, easy to do. That's how I take care of my griddle. That's what I do after every time I used to cook on it. And she's just seasoned really well, cooks amazing. It just is what it is. Throw my cover on and it's ready for next time. Thanks so much for watching. Please share this video. Please subscribe. You guys have a great one.